Hello guys, welcome back. This time I will go over question number 2D. So this is I guess the longest one, but it can be slightly tedious, but it's not that bad. And in reality, these questions that you had, those were just too easy for free response questions. You will actually get this question as a like B or C, I think. Okay. So let's look at this one. Now there's an ant. So this was a like snail, like slow snail, like this. Okay. And this is moving, it was snail, but ant arrived. And during time 12, starting time 12, ant started chasing ant is start chasing snail. And do you see? And within 3 minutes, ant caught up. And according to this question, acceleration a of t for ant is equal to 2. The ant catches up snails at time t of 15. And ant's velocity at time t12 is b inches per minute. And you want to find value of b. So if you want to do it, you want to find b, so you have to find the velocity. So let's anti-drive acceleration, because that is gonna be that will give you the velocity. So this is gonna be 2t from 15 to 12, right? Wait. Yeah, so antiderivative of acceleration is gonna be the velocity. So, and the acceleration of the snail is 2. So if I actually do this, I'm gonna get. No wait, what? I just have to do antiderivative, not 15 to 12. So you are gonna 2t plus c. Okay, so that is the velocity of t of the what's it called, snail. But what I have to know is that the position, because here, do you see from here the display is this is the amount of the like distance that they moved from 0 to 15. The snail moved from 0 to 15, and ant caught up within what? Within this time. So in order to solve for C, you actually have to what you gotta do is you have to find out the displacement. Okay, so because otherwise you will not be able to because you only want time 12, but what we know is that 12 to 15. So we want to find the velocity at that time. So what we have to do is we actually have to anti-drive this. So this time it's going to be 12 to 15. So I'm going to do 2t plus c dt. And when you do this, that's going to be, so it has 1 plus 1 over 2. So it's going to be t squared plus ct plus c2. So I don't know what c is, so I'm gonna just put c, and I have another c, but those two are not the same t, so that's why I put 2 here, okay? But that just means like constant from 15 to 12. So let's do this one. By the way, this one should be equal to 76.043, which I got this one from B. So that's a distance that snail moved, and at certain time, the ant arrived at this one. So let's do this one. So this one is very simple. I'm gonna put 15 squared plus c and 15 plus c2 minus 12 squared plus c of 12 plus c2. Okay, and when you do this, that's gonna be 15 squared is gonna be 225, I believe. 15 times 15 is, yeah, something like that, I think. But let me, and plus 15c plus c2, and then 12 this one, so 12 squared is gonna be minus what was it, 144, and 12 times, but there's a negative, so it's a minus 12c and this one is the minus C2, okay? And as you can see, these two will disappear. 225 minus 114 is gonna be 81, and 15C minus 12C is gonna be plus 3C, and that should be equal to this one, 76.043. Why they are equal to each other? Again, that represents the position of the ant, how ant moved from 12 to 15, and that should be equal to how snail moved from 0 to 15, okay? So these two should be equal to each other, and if you set them equal to each other, you can solve for C. So when you do this one, like minus 81 both sides and divide by 3, you're gonna get C equals negative 1.652, okay? So that's what C is, but what we want to find is the velocity here, right? You want to find velocity at time 12. So V of, I'm going to make this one here. V of 12 is 2, 12 plus, we just solved C, negative 1.652. Therefore, that is going to be 22.346 inch per minute. So that's it. You will probably ask, why can't you just do, so why couldn't you just do like 12 to 15? Because if you did it like that, that will just give you, what's that called? V of 15 minus V of like 12. But we still do not know what the velocity of this one, okay? Well, although this one equals 76.04, but since we don't know what these two is, we still have so many things to do. So that's why I just do anti-drive one more time and set this one equal to each other, okay? That's what I did. So that's about it, guys. If you have any question about this one, just let me know. I hope this one makes sense to you guys, all right? That's about it, guys. I love you. Bye.